Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Morshes English. Today we are going to learn the letters G, O and Q. We have already learned the letters A, C and D. First let's see how to write the letter G. We have already learned the letter A, so it's too easy to learn the letter G. First we start like letter C, then write like letter A, then G. Once again, let's write the next letter O. Again like C, letter O. It's very easy. Next is letter Q. Again write C, then like A, let's write some words using these letters. First one G, G-A-G, gang. Let's see how to write the word gang. G, then join A, then again G. Once more. Let's write another word gad, G-A-D. First G, then join A, now let's see how to write the word good. G-O-O-D. First G, then O, double O, then D. Some people write G like this. This is wrong. Don't write like this. You should write like small loop G. G. Then write the letter Q like this. Some people write like this. This is wrong. You should write like this. I will show you how to write these letters in 4-line book. I will meet you soon with another in the next class. Thank you.